120 meters away from Barangay Road, yung dulo Barangay Road. And then, ito yung corner lot natin. So, from this post hanggang dun sa may likod, katapatan nung posting isa. Ayan. So, yan po yung ating 1,000 square meter. Ayan. 1,050,000 yung price nito. Net. Kayo na po yung bahala for the transfer. Ayan. Thank you.